Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Discover It. This is Arya Singh and today we will discuss about the question answer of chapter 7. Okay, so being on this video at last or you can say at end. Okay, so today we will discuss about the question answer. In previous video we will discuss about summary and the recycling of paper. The last topic of this chapter, deforestation, we have also discussed in that video. If you want to watch that video, you have to go on my home and you have to click on that video. You are able to understand from the video of thumbnail. Okay, so click start our class. Question number 1 says that you have to fill a suitable word in this blanks. So a place where animals are protected in their natural habitat is called wildlife sanctuaries. I have told you in chapter that a place where animals are protected in their natural habitat is called wildlife sanctuary. Species found in a particular area is called endemic species. Migratory birds fly to faraway places because of climatic change. Question number 2. You have to differentiate between two words. First question of question number 2A is wildlife sanctuary and biosphere reserve. So, wildlife sanctuary, they are there the area reserved in a forest for the protection of wild animals. The area meant for the protection or conservation of the biodiversity. It also helps to maintain the cultural of that area. Okay, so this is the major difference between the biosphere reserve and wildlife sanctuary. Question number B is zoo and wildlife. A place where animals are protected in an artificial habitat for an exhibit. A protected area where animals live in their natural habitat. This is a major difference between zoo and wildlife. Endangered and extinct. The species of animal whose number is zero because of change in their habitat is called extinct species. But endangered are those you can say the species of animal whose number are diminished. You can say diminishing to such a level that they might face extinction. देखिए यहाँ पे एक्सटिंक्ट का मतलब होता है जो विलुप्त हो गए, इंडेंजर्ड का मतलब होता है जो विलुप्त होने के मुहाने पे हैं. यानी अब अगर जिस रीजन से वो विलुप्त हो रहे हैं, अगर हम उस रीजन को नहीं रोकेंगे तब क्या होंगे, वो विलुप्त हो जाएंगे. तो इंडेंजर्ड उसे कहते हैं. फ्लोरा एंड फौना. The plant which are found in particular area, example jamun, sal, etc. are called flora, and animal which are found in a particular area like leopard, cheetah and elephant is called fauna of that area. So, discuss the effect of deforestation on the following. यहाँ पे इफेक्ट. फर्स्ट इज वाइल्ड एनिमल. Trees are the habitats as well as source of food for the wild animal. Deforestation leads to the destruction of natural habitat of wild animals. Environment. Deforestation increase the temperature and pollution level of the environment. Yeah. So, it also lower the level of groundwater also. With the increase of carbon dioxide level and decrease in the oxygen level, it also rise the global warming. Moreover, deforestation decrease the soil fertility and so increase the chance of natural calamities. Village. The decline in rainfall, the decrease in soil fertility and the change of natural disasters affect the village life. So where we are? Yeah. Cities. Deforestation result in global warming. It also result in the increase in the level of pollution. Hence, deforestation affect the life in cities. Earth. Deforestation decrease the fertility of soil. It change the physical property of soil. All these change result in desertification. The next generation. Deforestation will majorly affect the life of next generation. The next generation will face problem at every step. Climatic condition will be adversely affected. there will be scarcity of food and clean environment. Next generation would not, you can say, or were not able to see most of the animal species due to habitat loss. Question number 4, what happened will we go on cutting trees? First, the temperature will increase to a great extent, the change of natural disaster to occurs will increase, and the third, the water cycle will be disturbed. If the habitat of an animal is disturbed, then the animal will lose their natural habitat and will reach the level of being endangered. Most of the animal may be forced to invade place meant for human living in search of food and shelter. If the top layer of soil is exposed, then the exposed layer will lose all its nutrients, especially and the humus also. The water holding capacity of soil is decreased, and where we are, sorry, we will come every time a step also. Most of the animal may be forced to invade place meant for human living in search of food and shelter, we have covered. So desertification take place, the water holding capacity of soil will decrease. Answer, you have to answer this in brief. So why should we conserve biodiversity? The variety of sorry, where we are, yeah, we are on same line and same topic. So the variety of life extincting on the earth, their interrelationship and their relation with the environment is reversed towards biodiversity. We should conserve biodiversity so as to maintain the food chain. The disturbance in the food chain may affect the whole ecosystem. Since capturing and killing of animal and poaching is still rampant in protected forested areas, so they are not safe for wild animal. Some tribals depend on jungle for the fulfillment of their basic need of life such as food, medicine, cloth, shelter, etc. The cause of deforestation may be following. First is natural cause like forest fire, drought, etc. Second is building factories and house, procuring land for cultivation, making furniture and using wood as fuel. The consequences of deforestation are natural calamities like flood, etc., increase in the temperature of the earth, example global warming, that is global warming, change in the physical properties of soil, decrease in ground water level, extinction of many flora and fauna. Red Data Book is a source of book which keep the record of all endangered plant and animals. Migration means the movement of a species from its own habitat to other place during a certain period in a year for breeding or to overcome some calamities. Question number 6. This 6 is question number 5th 6 number, and this will be question number 6. In order to meet the ever increasing demand in factory shelter, etc., being continuously cut, it is justified to cut trees for such project. Discuss and prepare a brief report. The brief report I have prepared here, you, if you want, then prepare this in my way, or if you want, then prepare it in your own way. If you like that, please do this. So how can you contribute to the maintenance of green wealth of your locality? Make a list of action to be taken by you. I have write some you can say steps that I can take. You have to write in your own way, and I have only a goal to see you this answer, that you have a way to how to write answer. Question number 8. Explain how deforestation leads to reduce rainfall. So trees give out huge amount of water in the form of water vapor during transpiration. The reduction of water vapor affect the cloud formation and thus result in less rainfall. Question: find out the national park in your state and identify and show their location and outline map of India. On outline map of India, see here. Here is Indira Gandhi National Park, Bandipur, Valley of. I have signed here some national parks If you want, then sign it, or if you want, then take a screenshot also. Yeah, then from this side, Arya, if you like this video, please tap the like button to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to tell about Let's Discover It to your friends. Thank you. See, here are many national parks. Thank you.